My name is Herman Janssen van Vuren. I'm an artist, a painter, sculptor, paint maker, and an author of a book on paint making. In my past, I have also been an engineer, and I've created many patents or designed aircraft, but my passion is art, and sharing it with others gives me such great pleasure. So I created this artist retreat called Kerpiç Farm in Dereköy, which is in the Aydın province in Turkey, which is not very far from all these old sites like Ephesus, Magnesia, and many other World Heritage sites. And it's only about 30 minutes from the sea. So my idea was that people would come here as a tourist. You could spend a few days learning all the basics of art. Also to invite professional artists who want to come and take up residency here. And then also not just the painting and the drawing and that, but also sculpting. I'm a sculptor, and I basically use all media like stone, wood, clay, steel. So I can take you through all of those and have all the equipment available here. But in addition, I also have a pottery studio with 3 potter's wheels and essentially all the materials and all the tools that you need. So you can come here and really have a lot of fun. And then once you've made your pottery items and also your sculptures out of clay, I've created a wood-fired rocket kiln, which is just outside the workshop. And so you can have the full works and do your glazing and all that as well. In addition, we provide a week-long straw bale building workshop. And there you will learn how to do the basics, the construction of the actual wood structure, also the fitting of the straw bales, then the actual securing of the straw bales, and then doing interior plaster. The outside we leave to the professionals to do with the lime and sand plaster, and then also the earthen floor. So we do earthen floors as well. And then on top of that, we soon are going to be doing the rammed earth walls. It'll be between the straw bale units and around the property. I invite you to have a look at my website, kerpichfarm.com. There you'll see an application form for the courses, which it will include the drawing, painting, sculpting, pottery, and straw bale workshops. So have a look at that, and we will heartily welcome you to come and join us and have some real fun together.